Introducing Craft Your Life Project Kit Flower Arch with a beautiful outline image and lots of gorgeous sentiments. Let's have a look at the layering guide. On the left-hand side, you will see two full-size card examples with the supplies used to create the project shown. In the center, you'll see the ink colors used to create the image shown, and the ink colors will show through the stencils as you work your way through the set. Down at the bottom, you'll see for the embossing folder. Next, we're going to have a look at the next item in your kit, which is the beautiful, beautiful stencils set. In this, you are going to get 5 beautiful stencils. Next, we have the die set, which cuts the outline image, the detail image for the embossing folder, and some sentiment banner strips. Have a look there. I love those sentiment strips. And finally, I'm going to just adjust that so you can see the picture a little bit better. And finally, we have the Flower Arch 3D embossing folder, the 3D embossing folder. You can see that detail there that was on your die set. You can see it very clearly there, and you have it on your die set. So you can add that beautiful detail in on your 3D embossing folder, and we will layer that together in the video. So let's get started. We are going to start with stencil number 1, A1 and Rose Quartz. We'll stay on stencil number 1, A1, in the bottom corner of the stencil, the bottom half of the stencil, I should say. And with that, we're going to use Baby Pink. I'm using my mini ink blending tool to add the color to all of these glorious flowers. Next, we'll move to stencil number 2, and we're going to move to A2, which is on the bottom half of the stencil. We'll use fuchsia ink for this step to color in all the openings. Next, we'll slide up on stencil 2, rotate our stencil just a little bit. There are etchings on there to help you align that. Then we'll go ahead and use magenta ink. Next, we're going to move to stencil number 3 with B1 and Limeade. And we'll do the B1 at the top left corner and the B1 at the bottom right corner, both with Limeade. Next on stencil 3, we're going to align B2, and we'll do the flower centers with Honey Drizzle ink. And once that's done, I will remove my stencil, clean it, and put it back in place. Some of these areas are kind of tight, so I didn't want to mix my inks. So for the leaves, I'll be using the beautiful lime color. So bright and beautiful against these gorgeous, vibrant pinks. Get all of those ink blended. Then we'll move to our final stencil for the flowers, which is stencil number 4. And on there, we're going to do B3, and that's going to be with Grass Field. And then we will move to the top of stencil 4 for B4 with the beautiful Mountain Pine. That finishes our flowers. We'll take stencil 5 with the 3D embossing folder and Mocha ink. I decided to use a large blending tool on my 9x12 Ultra Sticky Mat to blend the color onto this beautiful 3D embossing folder. It adds so much texture in the embossing folder, and adding the ink just adds even more. It is so stunning. I hope this video was helpful in layering together your Craft Your Life Project Kit Flower Arch. Coming up, we have some inspiration from our amazing designers. To find out more about Craft Your Life Project Kit Flower Arch and other available products, please visit us at Altenew.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.